Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got ribs. Oh yeah, and they've been marinated overnight for 24 hours in Mayo. And today we're going to be making you guys a Mayo crispy fried lemon pepper ribs. All right, and this lemon pepper I'm going to use today. This lemon pepper is from Buffalo Wild Wing. This one, guys, got to go over there and get this. Okay, get this lemon pepper right here. Oh wee, this, I tasted it and it tastes phenomenal. I'm going to buy some more of this because it got a lot of citrus to it. Okay, so get that, and this is just some Duke's Mayo, mayonnaise, or whatever you want to call it. All right, and over here I have 2 cups of flour. I have some black pepper in there. I have a little. Well, let me just tell you how much black pepper in there. I'm telling you. So anyway, I put like a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, coarse black pepper. Then I put like a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, and I put some lemon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of that in there. And it's not this one, okay? This is gonna be like a dry rub that I'm gonna put on this after I deep fry this, okay? So this Mayo crispy lemon pepper pork chop ribs gonna be off the chain. So yes, I did marinate this like 24 hours, like I said, and all we're gonna do is just toss this around up in here, put them in the pan. Here's my little pan right here. We're gonna coat this. I stir this up, mix it up well. We're just gonna take this and put them up in this flour, probably 2 of them at a time. All right, so just want to coat this nicely. Ooh, wee. This mother gonna be good, man, I'm telling you. Make you slap your mama, your daddy, your sister, your cousin, and turn around and look at grandma. But you know she ain't going. Big mama's never going. So don't slap her. All right. So this is all we're gonna do, is just coat this up on here nice and evenly, and we're gonna let this sit in this pan and rest, like so. Oh yeah, I did put some cornstarch in here. I forgot to tell you about that, didn't I? How it's gonna be crispy. I mean, it will be, but you know, I like to put cornstarch in my stuff to make my stuff crispy. So I put like a 1/4 cup of that in here as well. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, guys, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Here's my ribs I've finished up. So let's go ahead and fry this Mayo crispy fried lemon pepper ribs. So just gonna lay that in there, nice and gentle. Cooking this bad boy on like 350, just like you would do chicken. I'm gonna build it up. Alright, we're gonna cook that, guys, for about 15 minutes. See what it do. And I'll show you what's going on in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and cook these up. He'll just his light. So you know they're done. Just like that. We're going to put these in the pan, let them come to a rest, and we're going to start making our sauce. Because I'm going to have some sweet potato fries with these. Show you guys that up close so you can see it. It's gonna be yummy. Take that little piece off. Drop this back. Hold on. Throw my sweet potatoes in there. I'll see you over there in a minute. Okay, guys. Hope you can see this. We're just gonna melt this down. Just like so. I'm gonna get that lemon pepper. Oh, wait. That right there is off the chain. You gotta try some. Put a little of that in there. And when that completely melt down, we want it kind of thick. And we're gonna pour it over that rib. Over these ribs, okay? So that's about how I want mine. Alright guys, when my other stuff gets done, I'm going to show you how everything looks. See you guys in a minute. That's it on this sauce. You want it about like that. You don't want it too runny, okay? You want it a little thick. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and pour this sauce on these ribs. Ever so easy. Just like that. Talking about something good. I did taste a piece and it tastes amazing. You guys definitely got to try this recipe. Off the chain. No doubt about it. Ooh, wee. Oh, I'm getting hungry just looking at it. So please don't doubt me when I tell you my cooking skills is off the chain. Like everybody else's pretty much. But I'm keeping it real with you 100%. Then we'll take a little bit more of this and just dust it. Just like so. But it tastes amazing without, not gonna lie to you. The tanginess and sweetness. Oh my goodness. Alright, here's my sweet potato fries. I'm just gonna put a little brown sugar on this. Just like so. It will melt down a little bit. And a little coarse sea salt. Just to balance it out. Yeah, that's it. And that's it on that. Okay guys, here you go. Mayo, crispy, fried, lemon pepper, ribs. From my home to yours. And that's how those look. The camera don't do no justice, but they look super delicious. Alright. Ooh wee. And it's good. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm not just saying that. So if you like this video, and these, oh, let me go ahead and show you this. This is just my my fries right here. Got a little brown sugar, coarse sea salt on it. All right. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please, that's right, that's right, that's right, hit that bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love, and I'm out.